Hello everybody, myself Ishina, your mind therapist and a psychologist, is back here again to celebrate the World Mental Health Day. Today we're gonna talk about how your mind investment is equally important to your life insurance policy for making a good and a healthier life. So mind investment, investing in your mind, and that is equals to taking care of your mind. That is equals to mental health care. As you go to see a dentist, as you go to see an orthopedic doctor when you get fractured, so equally if you feel some or the other kind of mental illness, just like sadness, irritation, you cannot focus on things, anxiety, depression, or any other form of mental illness which is hindering you to move forward in your life, then definitely you should go and seek your mental health therapist, or either you should talk to your friends or family members. So this is how you can take care of your mental health. And there is no harm and no shame in your life in telling and revealing your things to people to whom you trust, because it is equally important to share and discuss things with your people. So that is also the part of your daily routine and mental hygiene work. Physical wounds are actually visible on our hands, on feet, or any part of our body, but mental wounds are just not visible. So please take care of it. Everyone reacts differently when they have different kind of mental illness. So don't feel shame or don't feel shy or remove the stigma that how I should speak this to someone. It's just not like that. Everyone has different story to tell because everyone has different journey. So it is not impossible. It is possible if you talk to your people and who can understand your things. And it's just not that only on World Mental Health Day we should take care of our mind, but it should be included in our daily life routine things, because taking care of your mental health, just like taking your everyday showers or maintaining your what do you eat, like you take breakfast, you have lunch, you have dinner. So in the same equal manner, it is important to take care of your mental health. So for maintaining it, you should eat right, you should think right, you should sleep well, and you should just not input yourself with so much of negativity, not at all. So here I have few tips for you guys that how you can maintain your physical health in your daily routine. So first of all, you have to feed yourself with right thoughts, cut off all the negative news and social media things, cut off all toxic people from your life who are not good for your mental health. Eat right, sleep right, drink right, take sunlight, have good vitamins, take good nutrients, keep yourself with your friends, take time for your self-care, and most importantly, you have to meditate. Start including meditation in your daily routine. Trust me, it do wonders. And if you cannot do, then just you can contact me here at Inside Alchemy, because I'm here to help you guys. So don't lose hope. Keep patience, have that courage to overcome things, and definitely we can achieve each and everything in our life. So take care and stay full power. See you guys sooner.